The popularity of data can be pretty much seen as people starting to understand after the financial crisis what quantitative analysts even did within financial institutions, and almost not the other way around. If you look at the Python tool stack and if you look at the packages, they're all geared towards data science. So starting off with NumPy and SciPy, pandas to analyze data sets, plotly dash to visualize your data. The accessibility of big data with Python is key for the two of them to grow in tandem in popularity. Many clients still sit on workflows on data coming from an Excel-based framework, and they have built tools around that. But it was very difficult to say, okay, I have a very good optimizer somewhere which gives me market insight. What if I throw in a completely different kind of sort of business information into that? You can't easily scale this kind of working, and you can't make those kind of things accessible to a wider group of people. The key element with Python is once you sort of harmonize your infrastructure and processes, you can actually do the things you always wanted to do. Python is everywhere for data analysis on the hedge fund side, and we find that giving clients a very comprehensive access via Python to our technology infrastructure, they don't need to leave their programming paradigm. For them, it comes very naturally to use F3 in an extended fashion to their day-to-day use case, and whether they want to sort of ingest further data sets or want to consume further calculation results. Picking up on the example of VaR, for many of our clients, that's a regulatory figure. That's a figure for the investors which they have to compute overnight, and they diligently did that. What is really missing from that angle is what those kind of numbers could bring to your decision-making process. You can compute all of that data very easily. The initial hurdle to analyze data in Python is significantly lower compared to other programming language. Productivity of the developer is key here, and brain power is an expensive resource, and computation power in comparison is much cheaper.